disturbing news is coming in. This is a developing story. A flight that took off, an Air India passenger aircraft carrying over 130 passengers, took off from the Ahmedabad airport. It was en route London. The destination was London. We are getting more details on that. This is the visual. This is near the Ahmedabad airport. Remember, barely minutes into the flight that took off, over 130 passengers in this Air India aircraft. It has crashed right near the Ahmedabad airport. Different visuals that have been recorded on mobile phones. We've been able to access it. We are not going to, of course, make a speculation about the kind of current status of it, but clearly the smoke suggests that the plane that has crashed, fire tenders, emergency services have been rushed to the spot. What exactly happened? Remember, when an aircraft takes off, all protocols via the air traffic control, the ATC, are followed. It's only when there's complete clearance given. This is part of procedure. The pilot is clearly trained. So is, of course, the ATC. What exactly happened? Minutes into the aircraft, what led to an incident that led to the aircraft, an Air India passenger aircraft carrying 130 passengers, Ahmedabad to London. As more and more details that are coming in, as these are the visuals, look at on your screen. This is, of course, still in the premises, very close to the Ahmedabad airport. You can see this is the premises of the airport here, the parking lot. Right behind you can see this huge cloud of smoke. Disturbing visuals coming in, while, of course, other operations still continue. For now, it appears the airport runway is functional, but other aircrafts have been halted. Remember, you can see from the runway. This is at this juncture. All right, I have big news coming in. My team has confirmed to us that an Air India aircraft with 242 passengers. 242 passengers were on board. This aircraft that took off from Gujarat, from Ahmedabad, was heading to London. Within minutes, crashed. What possibly went wrong? We're trying to get in aviation experts as well. The State Police Control Room has confirmed to India Today that on this aircraft, Air India passenger plane, 242 passengers were there. Latest information coming in, this was a Boeing 787 aircraft. Remember, pretty sure experienced pilots, also as much the ATC control room was experienced. Then what happened? When the clearance is given, that it takes off. For example, this aircraft, this is of course a different aircraft, which was to likely take off later. Aircraft is here on the runway, is set to take off after a clearance, and then plummets to the ground. This is a very serious, scary situation right now. Anisha, I want to come to you now. So you can see the cloud of smoke here. I'm not going to speculate if there are casualties, injuries right now. Emergency services are on the ground, but this is not looking good. What happened will have to be immediately investigated. But of course, the first priority is to be able to bring out survivors. Over 200 people could possibly have foreign nationals also, considering it was heading to an international destination. Anisha.
Well, Pooja, as you just said, we are not speculating at the moment. We are going to go by the official information that we are getting, or the information that we get from our sources. What we do know at the moment is that a likely Air India flight has crashed in Ahmedabad near the airport. We are still getting visuals from the area of thick black smoke coming in. What we do know for sure is that the police and fire department are reaching the spot. We are getting further information, and we will be confirming the information before we tell our viewers. At the moment, what we can tell you is that it is an Air India Ahmedabad to London, likely the Ahmedabad to London flight. We are still waiting for official confirmation from the airport. This flight was carrying a number of passengers. This flight was carrying a number of passengers. But Pooja, this is something that is concerning. We are seeing this kind of crash possibly minutes after takeoff, or during the process of takeoff that has happened. Pooja.
All right, I have more information coming in. 7 fire engines at least have been rushed to the spot. Remember, because it's an airport, there will likely be emergency medical services. As we look at these visuals, you can see the premises of the airport. And if you can see smoke billowing right from the premises of the airport, which means it has happened in the periphery, which also means that barely minutes into the takeoff, this has happened. Was this a technical issue? Did something hit the aircraft? because even for the crash to happen, it means barely seconds. Something happened that the pilot was not able to even have an emergency landing. Were the pilots not able to communicate with the ATC? 242 passengers on board is the latest information. This, we are told, the state police control room has been able to inform the news agencies. The latest is Air India passenger plane. 242 passengers were on board this aircraft. No official confirmation yet, details about what exactly is happening. Of course, priority will be to ensure there are survivors, to be able to immediately help them and rush them to the nearby hospitals. We are trying to ascertain certain identities about who possibly was on board this aircraft, but the kind of smoke that we see from this aircraft right now clearly shows that the situation is looking precarious. More and more visuals are reaching us. But remember, because it's a developing story and a sensitive nature, we are trying to only bring out the facts to you. Let's take a look at the visuals. At least 2 confirmed videos that India Today has accessed. One from the runway. Clearly you see that this aircraft appears to have been told to be halted. This was one of the first visuals. From another aircraft, a passenger possibly has taken this video. Look at the smoke. You can see that this is where, right behind the airport premises, this is right next to the runway. That is where this aircraft has crashed, and you can see a huge cloud of smoke billowing. I hope and pray everyone on board is safe. The flight was Boeing 787 heading to London is what we are told the destination was. But what does this crash mean? What kind of injuries are we looking at? And I hope the emergency services immediately deployed. Remember, unlike the bigger airports, let's say the Mumbai airport or the Delhi IGI airport, perhaps at this juncture, emergency services could be fewer in number. So therefore, the nearby emergency services will have to be rushed. Hospitals will have to be alerted right away. I'm sure that's being done right now. But with a crash of this nature, a lot of questions unanswered, because we are talking about at least the life of 240 passengers, including the crew, of course. The Air India aircraft heading to London.